Good afternoon, my friends. I hope all of you are having an awesome, fantastic day. We just checked in for our next Disney staycation here at Disney's Bay Lake Tower. And oh my goodness, this room is ridiculous. I have never stayed in a hotel room like this. So I am very blessed and very honored. We are staying in a 3-bedroom grand villa with a lake view. This room will sleep up to 12 people. I'm going to give you a full tour. We're going to have some friends over later and just enjoy this beautiful room here at Disney's Bay Lake Tower. I hope you guys are ready because I am. Let's go do this. We are staying in room 8536. Look at this. Stairs. Wow. All right, first up, you have a extra closet with an extra pillow and blanket. And then if you turn to your left, you have bathroom number 1, which is pretty standard and basic. I always say basic is good. There's me. Hey guys. And then look at this. You have a laundry room. Yes, a laundry room in your hotel room. Wow. Plenty of laundry soap. Lots of storage in here. And then look at the living room. You can see Animal Kingdom, you can see Epcot, you can see the monorail, the Contemporary. Wow. You have a phone, a light, looks like a massive TV. Look at the high ceilings here. And then you have this window, and I wanted to show you there is a switch if you wanted the window shades to go up. Wow. Look at this view. There's the pool, Epcot, Swan and Dolphin, Animal Kingdom. Look how bright it is in here now. This couch will turn into a sleeper, as we see here. Yes, it is a Blu-ray 3D player. And then you have a balcony right here. And then you have 2 other bedrooms up here. As we are heading into the kitchen now, you have a really nice dining room table. Looks like a bar or a smaller island with electrical down here. Another balcony. Lots of storage. You have your freezer and refrigerator. Very spacious. Dishwasher, coffee maker, sink of course, oven, stove, toaster, microwave, and I believe it comes with everything you need. Yes, this is a DVC room, so you have everything. Plates, utensils, pots, pans. All right, just to recap, you have the living room here, the kitchen, bathroom number 1, the stairs, and now we are heading into the master bedroom. A very nice king size bed. Look at the art. You have Goofy, Mickey, and Minnie. You have a little office desk, a TV, another, well, this is the same balcony that I showed you guys from the living room here, as it has a door to connect. But regardless, another balcony. I'm not seeing USB ports in this room, but look at the bathroom. Look at the jacuzzi. Oh my gosh. This moves, I think. However, I am not seeing any USB outlets so far as we are heading into the master bath. Look at this. Look at the jacuzzi. This moves. How neat is that? Like, wow. Look at the castle art. So you can take a bath and have a look at Animal Kingdom and then Epcot. You can watch the fireworks while taking a bath. Of course, you have another closet with your safe. And then here is the rest of the bathroom. The jacuzzi. Wow. Oh, There's a remote. There's a TV. Oh, right here. You have a TV in your master bathroom. Wow. And then a walk-in shower with a rain faucet. I love it. I like the privacy. There's a phone by the toilet. That's odd. I've never seen that before. Okay, I think I covered everything on the first level, or should I say level 15, as I am walking up the stairs now and heading upstairs to level 16. I have made it up the stairs, and I said up to level 16 because you have two entryways on level 15 and level 16. That's crazy. And as soon as you make it up the stairs, you have kind of like a gaming area or a second living room. And this does turn into another pull-out bed. You have another big TV here. And look at this. That is the main living room area and the kitchen. This is so dang cool. Up here, you can find 2 additional bedrooms. Let's head in this one first. Oh, very nice. You have 2 queen-size beds. I love the Mickey and Minnie artwork up top. You have another balcony here. A smaller TV. Lots of storage. An office desk. There's the contemporary. I'm still not seeing any USB outlets. In this room, there's a bigger closet for more space. And then, what is this? The 3rd bathroom, I think. Very nice. Wow. More privacy. Okay, we are now heading to the final and 3rd bedroom, and I believe the 4th bathroom. Here we are. It looks exactly the same as the other bedroom that we just left. You can find 2 queen-size beds, more Mickey and Minnie artwork, a nice dining table with chairs, TV, storage, and another balcony. I also really like how each room has their own balcony. That is a plus. There's a larger closet in this bedroom also, as we are heading into the 4th bathroom, which is very standard but very nice. You also have more privacy up here also. This room is crazy, right? It's unbelievable. I'm amazed. I do want to say a massive thank you to Nicola for reaching out to me and saying, Dev, I cannot use my DVC points. Please take them and please go film this room. And I am beyond grateful. I appreciate it so much. So thank you for reaching out and hosting us, because wow, this is just crazy. Okay, I came outside on the balcony and I switched my lens to my zoom lens to show you everything we can see from the balcony. Starting with over here, you can see SeaWorld Orlando right there. And then I believe that is the Four Seasons. And then coming over here, there's Epcot. That's crazy. And then you have Swan and Dolphin. And you can even see the new tower that is being built. And then if I zoom out just a tad, that is Disney's Wilderness Lodge. And then if I zoom in a little bit, that is Animal Kingdom. We can see Expedition Everest. Then over here, you can see the Tree of Life, the Floating Mountains, and Pandora. We can see the monorail. So dang cool. We can see Disney's Grand Floridian. Of course, right here is Disney's Contemporary Resort. And then we have California Grill right here at the top. Yeah, this view is incredible from our balcony. You can just about see the entire Walt Disney World Resort. Our friends made it over. They brought us some pizza and some nice drinks. And then I think we are going to play some games. I looked up and I noticed there's a window right here. And that window is the other bedroom upstairs. I thought that was pretty cool. Over here, there's no window. Not unless that opens up, but I don't think it does. How cool is this? So much fun. Also, if I zoom in, we can look directly inside of California Grill. And if I zoom in, look at Spaceship Earth and Epcot. You can actually see the beams of light. Good morning. It is now the next day. I wanted to come out on the balcony one last time to check out this view. It is a little overcast today. Man. All right, my friends. That is all that I have for you guys in today's video. I'm just going to go ahead and say it now. I love this room. This has been hands down the best room I've stayed in here at Walt Disney World. I highly recommend for you guys to come stay here at least once. I was not expecting this. I just knew it was a 3-bedroom villa. I did not think I was going to get all of this. So again, this is a huge blessing. I'm very grateful and I'm just happy. This was amazing. It was a beautiful stay here with Bianca. I have 0 complaints. That's how amazing this room was. It was very quiet. I think this is the definition of luxury here at Walt Disney World. Now, again, this was a gift to us from one of you guys. However, I would pay my own money to stay here in the future, especially for like, you know, a honeymoon or an engagement or a birthday or like a anniversary, something like that. I think this room is worth it. Thank you guys so much for watching.
I ain't feeling lonely, and I wanna admit it's time to end the ride. Fading it too slowly, were those gonna lift me up this time? You were the only one who got me tripping up inside. All the words you told me